He added them into the tank, and immediately, one was making a fatal mistake. He wandered towards the scorpion burrow and then down inside. He was walking towards his doom. There was a stalemate. The beetle made his move. He tapped the scorpion and then retreated deeper into his burrow. The scorpion gave the beetle a gentle push and then made his journey back to the surface. That was a close call. I decided to let them be overnight. As the sun began to rise, something extremely rare was about to happen. It was rainy season, and one of the few storms of the entire year was about to commence.